Hi friends, welcome to Science with Ayazula. And friends, today we are going to make an ice cream stick house. Friends, the house will look like this. I'm making it using colorful ice cream sticks. So friends, now let's start making the house. So friends, for making the house, you need ice cream sticks, barbecue sticks, few transparent sheets, and like these papers, glue gun, a light like this. Here this is a house with lights, so you will need lights. So friends, now let's start making the house. And friends, even if you want to decorate, you can use plastic plants. So friends, let's start. So friends, now you have to make these shapes out of ice cream sticks. You have to make like this shape 3, and this shape you have to make 1. It will be the back of our home. Like this shape you have to make 1, and this shape also you have to make 1, and this one also you have to make 1. This shape will be the front part of our home, and this will be the base. So friends, first you have to cut these shapes, and after you cut these shapes you have to assemble. I'll assemble it and show you all. So friends, now I have attached all the pieces and made the house. See friends, this is the model. See friends, this is the front part. Friends, now I brought LED lights, and now here, from here inside, I will fix the LED lights. And after that I will stick anything transparent or translucent at the windows. Then the LED lights will glow and the windows will look colorful. And friends, the roof, after fixing the LED lights, you have to put the roof. You can use cardboard to make the roof or ice cream sticks. I will use both. I will keep the cardboard piece here up. Here up I'll keep, and on that I'll stick ice cream sticks. So friends, I'll show you. So friends, now I have added LED lights. I have stick the LED lights inside. See friends, this one here is the button. This is the switch. If I on the switch, the LED lights will on, and when I off, the LED lights will off. And friends, I have sticked translucent sheets here on the windows. And friends, I have sticked the translucent sheet at all the windows. With that, the LED lights effect will come nice. And even I have made a balcony. This is the door for the balcony. Even I will make the windows. I will make the windows. I will make lines at the windows with black sketch, that it will look real. And I will use foam sheets to make the doors look nice. See friends. And friends, this balcony is not necessary. It is just for decoration. And friends, now we have to make the roof. You can make the roof using cardboard or ice cream sticks. I will make it using ice cream sticks. Friends, first you have to stick ice cream sticks on a sheet of cardboard, and after that place it on the roof place. I will make the roof and show you. So friends, now I'll make the roof and show you. So friends, now the house is ready. See the house. Friends, I have made the roof of the house. See the roof. Friends, this house is looking very nice, and I have kept few plastic plants here at the side of the house. And even I have sticked ice cream sticks for the borders here. See friends, and even for this part, see friends, for this part I have kept blue and yellow ice cream sticks. It looks very nice. See friends. And even I have kept few plants at the balcony. I have made the doors also. And friends, the balcony I have made with barbecue sticks. See friends, the house. And friends, the battery I have kept here down. From here, the wire comes and it goes to the battery. Friends, I'll on it and show you. See friends, the house. It is looking very nice. Friends, the base you have to make with 4 pieces of those ice cream stick base. The house is looking very nice. Friends, you also try this at home. It is a good way to make creative things. And friends, the roof, I have not kept ice cream sticks beside each other. I have kept one ice cream stick on the other half. On the other, I have kept it half. See, friends. Friends, you also try it at home. And friends, even I have made this black color marks at the window that it looks like a real window. See, friends. I'll open the light also and show you nicely. So friends, if you liked this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel Science with Azula. Thank you for watching.